Into the wisdom tree, then off to the Hollywood sign. DTLA. Shit, that's for. Alright, it's crazy how we just came from the middle of that shit. Views for days out here. Made it to the trailhead. Oh. Wow. That's Burbank out there. Crazy hikes out here. $1,000 fine for smoking weed or discarding objects. This looks like death. Oh. Don't be mistaken. This hike is deep. It is a steep hike up here. Wow. Look at that. Downtown LA. All the way up. Almost to the top. We almost made it. Started from the bottom. How you guys doing?
Right.
Damn. The whole mountain range. The infamous wisdom tree. The wind out here feels so amazing right now. Holy smokes. These views are crazy. The gold. Oh, signature book? Did you add to it or something?
Somewhere around here, because I remember the Mac Miller.
I wonder what happens to this book, Mac Miller. Jimmy B, the photographer, behind me. This kid Jimmy's a photographer. Now he came to LA.
Shit, is your thing locked? But like,
Jimmy's gonna start killing the game.
there's probably a few hundred.
Few hundred. We made it. We made
There
it.
you go.
So that was the wisdom tree. Now we're hiking out to the Hollywood sign from here. It's not too far, I don't think. That's Burbank down there. And it's getting tough out here. This is the real Hollywood hike. Oh, I like this. Super old. So this is the best way to hike to the Hollywood sign. I've never even been there, but it's better to, you know, make an adventure out of it. Let's get this drawn like that. Here we go. This is a lot more tougher of a hike. Damn. So I'm almost at the sign here. Hike across the tip of the mountain almost. For I keep thinking I'm in a dead end, but I'm not. Thankfully, I feel like I'm at like the top of LA. Hugh Hefner, the Hugh M. Hefner overlook. Oh, trespassing. Hollywood. Yeah. Holly for holy wood, as in the magic.
There's a way down there.
Yeah.
Well, look at it.
Oh no.
Wait, you want to?
No, I mean like down here somewhere. Like unless it's all like bordered off. Yeah, I swear that like trail was, it's like LA traffic. Like it's not hard to like get through. It's not far. It just takes a long time. Yeah, the P9 mountain lion. The moon, the city, all the way over to the sun. So this was a pretty cool hike, Wisdom Tree to Hollywood Sign. Jimmy, how you feeling?